A family company with humble beginnings, Golden Bridge was built from the ground up by a simple man with a big idea, who has a clear definition of his brand mission. From handmade electrodes in 1986, we have developed a lineup of 9 series and 500 welding consumable products. Golden Bridge understands that the primary reason for a company's existence is its continuous internal pursuit of excellence and innovation. Whether laying natural gas pipelines in vast, uninhabited areas or constructing LNG carriers crossing oceans, our presence contributes to clean energy serving thousands of households at a lower cost. Whether bridging the gap between the island and the mainland or facilitating a high-speed railway among the mountains, our participation, connecting people from different places, expands their life possibilities. From manufacturing workshops for heavy engineering equipment to offshore drilling platforms deep in the ocean, whether it lies in where we are already familiar with, or what offers us a wide range of opportunities to exploration and growth, we are sparking a culture of innovation and committing to meeting the industry's increasing demands. We understand what quality means and what it takes to make a reliable product. We continue to improve the production method, use the intelligent manufacturing method to replace the traditional manual manufacturing, improve the stability of products between different batches, and reduce energy consumption. From our humble beginnings and throughout the past 37 years, we have experienced innovation and loss and growth, but we always keeping our eyes and minds set on the future and all the possibilities. We never lost sight of our customers, focusing on solving their problems, helping them achieve extraordinary achievements in the field. In good times and tough times, what started in 1986 carries on today.